In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order on POP MART. To get started, open your web browser or launch the POP MART app. From there, go to the official POP MART website for your region. Using the correct regional site is important because product availability, shipping options, and payment methods can vary depending on where you live. Once you're on the site, sign into your account. If you don't already have one, create a new account so you can shop, check out, and track your orders more easily. If you need to register, look for the sign up or register option. Enter the required account details, such as your email address or phone number, create a password, and complete any other requested information. If the platform asks you to verify your account, go ahead and finish that step before moving on. This helps make the checkout process smoother later. Once your account is ready, you can start looking for products. Use the search bar if you already know what you want, or browse through categories like blind boxes, figures, plush toys, collectibles, and limited editions. When you find something you like, select the item to open the product page. Before placing an order, take a moment to carefully review the product details. Check the product name, price, size, and any item-specific information. You should also look at the available quantity, shipping information, and the release date if the product is a pre-order. This is especially helpful if you're buying collectible items and want to be sure you understand exactly what you're getting. When you're ready, choose your preferred item or series, select the quantity you want, and click Add to Cart or Buy Now. If you want to keep shopping, adding the item to your cart is usually the better option. If you're ready to purchase immediately, Buy Now may take you straight to checkout. Next, open your shopping cart and click Checkout. At this stage, enter your shipping information, including your name, address, city, postal code, and phone number. Be sure everything is accurate since even small errors can delay delivery. After that, choose one of the available payment methods. This may include a credit or debit card, PayPal where available, or other supported options shown on the checkout page. Before you finish, review your order carefully. Double-check the items, quantity, shipping address, and total cost. If everything looks correct, click Place Order or Pay Now, then complete the payment. After your purchase, log into your POP MART account and go to My Orders. Select your order to view the order status, shipping updates, and tracking number. Finally, track the shipment until it arrives, check the package and items once delivered, and contact POP MART support if you notice any issues.